The Makabayan Bloc, along with labor leaders and families of victims, have filed a House resolution seeking a formal investigation into the collapse of a 9-story building in Pampanga, as they demand accountability from private contractors for the incident that has claimed at least 30 lives. Sheila Natividad has the full report.
Nearly a month after the collapse of a 9-story building in Balibago, Angeles City, Pampanga, labor leaders and relatives of the victims joined forces with the Makabayan Bloc, led by ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino, to file a resolution before the House Committee on Labor and Employment. Their goal is to hold the private contractors of the collapsed building accountable, as the families of the victims claim they have yet to receive any assistance or communication from them.
Nananawagan ako sa may-ari, sa kontraktor, na sana naman siya magpakita sa amin, lalo sa mga pamilya ng biktima, at mabigyan ng hustisya yung mga biktima.
The death toll has risen to 30 after 2 more bodies were recently recovered from the site of the collapse. The Institute for Occupational Health and Safety Development said the Occupational Safety and Health Act should also be reviewed to better protect workers.
Buo po yung suporta ng Institute for Occupational Health and Safety Development sa resolusyon na final natin ngayong araw na ito. Ito rin po ay pagpapatunay na kinakailangan na talagang tumigil yung mga malalalang paglabag sa occupational health and safety, lalong-lalo na po yung nagdudulot ng kamatayan ng ating mga manggagawa.
Representative Tino maintained that the incident should not simply be forgotten, which is why they pushed for the filing of the resolution in the House of Representatives.
Kaya po tayo nag-file ng resolution na to, initial na hakbang. Ang layunin natin talaga ay hustisya para sa 30 manggagawa na namatay sa pagguho ng building sa Angeles at pagpapanagot sa private contractor.
As authorities continue to confirm the rising death toll from the collapsed building, so too are the dreams of its victims buried beneath the rubble. Through this resolution, workers and the families of the victims hope their story will not end in tragedy, but in justice. Sheila Natividad, for The Nation.